Samsung typically hosts its Galaxy Unpacked event in August every year, wherein launches its next generation of foldable devices, which includes the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip smartphones. However, word is that the company may launch its foldable display smartphones a little earlier this year. According to a report by Sam Mobile, Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 in July this year amid growing competition in the foldable market. The report says that the launch will happen sometime in the last week of July, between July 25th and July 27, and that it will launch its next generation smartwatch, that is the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Tab S9 series, along with its next generation earbud at the event. While these dates are not significantly earlier than the August dates that the company typically chooses for launching its flagship devices, they do not represent a major shift in the company's foldable strategy. The move, if true, would represent an acknowledgement on the Samsung part at a time when the competition in the foldable market is increasing significantly. As far as features are concerned, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is likely to come with a 7.6-inch primary display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.2-inch AMOLED cover display. The phone is likely to sport a triple rear camera system with a 50MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 10MP selfie camera. In terms of backup, the phone is likely to come up with a 4400 mAh battery with a 25W fast charging capabilities. The device is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 SoC with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, on the other hand, is likely to sport a 6.7-inch primary display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 3.4-inch cover screen. It is tipped to come powered by the same Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 SoC and come with features such as a 12MP dual rear camera setup and 25W fast charging support.